Okay, so chapter 3, part 2, computer operating system, programs and application. What will be covered in this chapter is the overview of programs and apps, productivity application, graphic and media software. Okay, so the learning objective by the end of this chapter, you would you would be able to identify the general categories of program and apps, how an operating system interacts with application and hardware, and you able to differentiate among the ways you can acquire programs and apps, identify the key features of productivity and applications of productivity application, and identify the key features of graphic and media application. Okay, just a quick revision. I have explained program or software in the previous chapter. Okay, this is a series of related instructions organized for a common purpose that tells the computer what tasks to perform and how to perform them. There are two types of software or programs. It is a system software and application software. System software, I have explained in chapter 3, part 1, the types and also the rules of operating system, and also the utilities. Okay, so for this chapter, chapter 3, part 2, I will focus on application software. Okay, application software is programs designed to make users more productive and or assist them with personal tasks. Okay, one moment. Aduh, masuk ya. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, there are two main category interacting with programs and apps on the device and the networks. Okay, for device there are three types of apps for desktop, mobile, and native. Okay, the desktop apps is run on a desktop or laptop computer. Mobile apps run on mobile device. Native app an app written for specific platform and installed on a computer or mobile device. Okay, so for network, there are cloud app, web app, and mobile web app. Cloud app software and data that are not stored on your computer or mobile device but can access as long as connected to a network. Okay, so this is a cloud app. Web app, a special type of cloud app that is accessed by visiting a website. So for web app, we go to the specific website. Mobile web app, a web app that run on mobile device. Okay, macam bila kita buka untuk internet banking, okay, yang tu guna mobile web app. Okay, kalau gunakan handphone lah. Kalau guna laptop, kita guna web app. Cloud app yang dia kena online baru boleh buka. That you can run for the specific application. Okay. Program apps are distributed in a variety of form. There are I think six. There are 6 forms of software. How software distributed: retail software, custom software, shareware. Then we have freeware, open source software, and public domain software. Okay, we look at one by one. Retail software is a mass-produced copyrighted software that meets the needs of a wide variety of users, not just a single user or company. Retail software ni software yang ada lah dalam komputer-komputer yang biasa bila kita beli dapat. Contohnya Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, semua tu mass-produced ataupun retail software. We have to purchase for that software. Custom software perform functions specific to a business or industry. Katakan one company, one specific task to be by using computer software. Okay, that one is called custom software. Normally, a company asks programmer to design a specific software for them. Okay, another one is shareware. It is a copyrighted software that is distributed at no cost for a trial period. Biasanya dia ada trial period lah, macam accounting. Accounting kita ada UBS software. UBS software yang trial yang shareware dia hanya sampai 100, it's up to 100 transaction. If you want to use more than that, then you have to purchase. That's why it's called shareware. Another one is freeware. Freeware copyrighted software provided at no cost by an individual or a company that retains all rights to the software. Okay, kita boleh guna, tak ada masalah. But all the rights still on that particular person, okay, who create the software. Okay, open source software, okay, yang ni lain daripada freeware. Freeware tak boleh ubah, kita boleh guna je. Open source software, kita boleh modify. Software provided for use, modification and redistribution. No restriction from the copyright holder regarding modification of the software's internal instruction and its redistribution. Okay, then another one, public domain software, donated for public use and has no copyright restriction. Okay, and this is how the software is distributed. Okay. Okay, how to install and update program or apps. What to do before any program or app can be used. Okay. Installing the program, the process of setting up the program to work with the computer or mobile device and other devices. User may be requested to register and or activate the software prior to its use. Okay. Setengah software kena register ya. Okay, software registration optional. Submit names and other personal information to software manufacturer or developer. And if you purchase the software, you need to activate. Okay, product activation, a technique that some software manufacturers use to ensure that you do not install the software on more computers than legally licensed. Okay, contohnya macam Microsoft Word. Kalau awak beli Microsoft Word, awak boleh install up to 8 computers. Jadi setiap kali awak nak install, dia akan minta product activation keys. Okay. And then updating programs and apps, normally it is automatic update. Updates can be configured to download and install automatically. Typically, before using any program or apps, the user is required to agree to all license agreement, which is the right to use the program or apps. Okay, this is the category of apps. We have productivity, graphic and media, personal interest, communication, security, file, disk and system management. Okay, untuk file, disk and system management ni, I have explained a bit in previous chapter under utilities. Saya dah cerita sikit pasal file manager, uninstaller, disk defragmenter, saya dah explain itu. Okay, so we go one by one. Productivity. Productivity application can assist you in becoming more effective and efficient while performing daily activities at work, school and home. With productivity application, users often create project, edit project, format a project, save a project and distribute a project. So this is apa dia kata create, edit, format, save, distribute. Inilah kalau gunakan Microsoft Word for example, dia ada banyak lah, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, apa lagi, Access, macam-macam ya. Yang tu ialah productivity software. Okay, kita ambil satu lah, Microsoft Word for example. To create, you enter text, number, image and etc. using input method. Normally we use keyboard. Okay, we insert, add text, delete, remove and so on. Edit, to make changes to its existing content. Insert, delete, cut, copy and paste. Okay, remove content to temporary location, call a clipboard yang tu awak use cut ataupun Control X kalau guna function key, Control X ataupun Command X. Untuk copy, Control C ataupun Command C, place the content on a clipboard but the content remain in the project. Paste, transfer content from clipboard to specific location in the project. Yang kalau paste, Control V ataupun Command V. Okay, format, change the project appearance. For example, font. We change the font name, font size, characters, okay, and also font style. Save means kita simpan lah, write the project into storage medium. Transfer the project from memory to local storage medium. And then distribute in terms of hard copy or soft copy. Hard copy maksud dia apa? Hard copy is information that exists on physical medium. Saya kata, okay, please submit hard copy of your report or of your assignment. Maksudnya awak kena print lah on paper. Okay, to generate a hard copy, you print a project. Kalau saya kata submit a soft copy, then awak email lah. Awak convert Microsoft Word ke dalam into PDF format. Okay, then submit through specific platform. For example, kalau guna UFuture, then you submit to UFuture. Macam saya guna Google Classroom. So you submit to the Google Classroom. Okay. Okay, one of the productivity application is word processing. Saya kata tadi kan, an application that allows users to create and manipulate documents containing mostly text and sometimes graphic. Features include create professional and visually appealing documents, nak buat resume, nak buat assignment macam-macam lah ya. Allow user to incorporate and modify graphic, page setup, word wrap, paragraph margin, assist users with the writing process, spelling, grammar, format checker, and also bibliography. Bibliography ni bila awak nak buat reference lah. Okay. Another one is presentation yang macam saya buat sekarang ni, tapi yang ni saya guna yang ni saya guna PDF format sebab file PDF. Yang macam untuk chapter 1 itu saya guna PowerPoint kan. Yang tu ialah presentation software, guna PowerPoint For Microsoft dia guna PowerPoint lah. Okay. An application that allows users to create visual aids for presentation to communicate ideas, messages, and other information to a group. The presentations can be viewed as slides, sometimes called slideshow, that are displayed on a large monitor or on projection screen from a computer or mobile device. Okay. Spreadsheet, yang ni kalau dalam Microsoft kita guna Microsoft Excel. Okay. An application that allows users to organize data in column and rows and perform calculation on data. Dia ada worksheet, workbook. Okay, saya buka lah, tunjuk senang. Dah ada di sini, saya tunjuk terus. Sekejap. Okay, yang ni contoh ya. Okay, yang ni record yuran untuk komuniti saya lah. Saya jadi bendahari dia. Biasalah standard orang account akan jadi bendahari. Okay, tak apalah. So yuran penduduk So ada tahun, dia ikut column, and this is column, this is row. Setiap sel ni ada nama dia. Macam ni nama dia C10. Yang ni D10. Column D, row number 10. Yang ni saya buat calculation lah. Maksudnya setiap tahun saya tahu berapa jumlah yuran yang dikutip lah. Okey, bawah sekali ada jumlah. Okey, yang ni saya guna formula. Dan beritahu berapa persen yang dah bayar yuran, berapa persen tak bayar yuran ya. Okey. Dan setiap collection dia kata apa sini sekejap ya. Worksheet collection of column and row. Yang ni satu ni dipanggil worksheet. Worksheet is a column and row. Yang ni lah satu worksheet penerimaan. Okay. Dia ada sheet 1, ada outstanding balance main, outstanding balance 3. Yang ni atau berapa orang hutang lah. Okay. So yang ni sheet penerimaan dipanggil I call it sheet penerimaan. Okay. Kemudian workbook. Workbook apa? Workbook ni semua sekali lah. Semua sheet ni dipanggil workbook. Okay. Ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 worksheets which form a workbook. Okay. Most spreadsheet software has basic features to help users to create, edit, and format worksheet. Contain many built-in functions. Powerful feature is its capability to recalculate the rest of the worksheet and when data in a cell change. Okay. Untuk simple accounting kita boleh guna spreadsheet software. Okay, database software. Okay, untuk awak akan belajar Microsoft Access. To create database. Okay, it is an application that allows users to create, access, and manage a database. A database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval, and use of data. Dia macam juga Excel, dia dalam bentuk Dia dalam bentuk dia dalam bentuk apa namanya column and row, cumanya dia lebih spesifik untuk buat database lah. Ini Microsoft Access ada. So this is Microsoft Access. So saya guna blank database. Okay, then you sama juga dia guna ID dia ada column and row sama. But you need specific instruction to create those database. The database is a collection of data organized in a manner that allows access, retrieval, and use of that data. Using database software, you can add, change, and delete data in the database, sort and retrieve data from the database, and create forms and reports using the data in the database. So one of the assignment will be on Microsoft Access. You need to produce reports, okay, based on the question given. Okay, other productivity application including note-taking software, text editor, calendar and contact management software suite, project management software, accounting software, personal finance software, legal software, tax preparation software, document conversion and reader software. Okay, yang tu semua example of productivity software. Note-taking software, an application that enables users to enter type text, handwritten comments, drawings, sketches, photos and links anywhere on a page and then save the page as part of notebook. Okay, biasanya handphone dah ada ya note-taking software ni. I mean your mobile phone. Okay, for stylus, I mean for tablet, dia guna note-taking software yang boleh that can recognize handwritten. Okay, boleh guna stylus ataupun pen dia. Okay, text editor used to type information without to be formatted with fonts, page number or other styles used by programmers and web developers. Okay, and the text editor specifically used by programmers and web developers. Okay, calendar and contact management, an application that helps you organize your calendar, keep track of contacts and share this information with other users who can view it on their computer and mobile devices. Dulu saya guna laptop ya untuk update kalender especially on my schedule and so on, but nowadays I'm using my mobile phone. Okay, software suite, a collection of individual related application available together as a unit, macam Microsoft dia ada Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. Okay, so yang tu dipanggil software suite. Dia banyak software dalam satu package ya. Project management, an application that allows user to plan, schedule, track and analyze the events, resources and cost of a project. Yang ni specific software for project. Accounting software, okay, this one you will learn in AIS160 nanti ya. An application that help business of all size record and report their financial transaction. Okay, for new syllabus awak akan belajar UBS accounting. Okay, personal finance software, a simplified accounting application that helps home users and small or home office users balance their checkbooks, pay bills, track personal income and expense, verify account balances, transfer funds, track investment and evaluate financial plan. Okay, yang tu personal finance software. Legal software, an application that assists its preparation of legal documents and provides legal information to individual families and small businesses. Same for tax preparation, an application that can guide individuals, families or small businesses through the process of filing federal and state taxes. Okay, macam di Malaysia kita ada LHDN, dia ada specific web-based software that you can fill in your all your income and project ataupun produce your amount of tax to be paid. Okay. Document conversion and reader software, document conversion to save document created in any application into a common format that has the same appearance as the original document. Contohnya macam sekarang ni lah saya guna PDF kan, asalnya daripada Microsoft PowerPoint, but it is converted into PDF. Kenapa PDF? PDF, it is a compressed format that can run in most platform. Okay, dia boleh buka di mana-mana komputer. Tu kelebihan PDF lah, dan the file is smaller compared to original files. Okay, document reader to view, create, search, convert, annotate, edit, share, and print documents. Okay, now we move on to another one, enterprise computing. A large organization, commonly referred to as an enterprise, requires special computing solution because of its size and geographic distribution. So among the software for enterprise, including human resource software, accounting, engineering, manufacturing, marketing, sales, distribution, customer service, and information technology software. Okay, and another one is graphic and media software. This one is used by power user. Who is power user? Engineer, architect, desktop publisher, and graphic artist. Kenapa dipanggil power user? Sebab they use a lot of graphic, illustration, and so on. Bila komputer guna graphic, illustration, video, and so on, it needs a more powerful processor. Okay, that's why they call them as power user. Okay, incorporate user-friendly interface, dia ada CAD, computer aided design, desktop publishing software, paint image editing software. Dalam Microsoft pun ada ya, tapi yang simple punya lah. Dia bukan yang betul-betul for power user. Photo editing and photo management software, video and audio editing, multimedia and web authoring software, media players, augmented and virtual reality application. Okay, we look at one by one. What is CAD? Application that assists professionals and designers in creating engineering, architectural and scientific design and model. Okay, nak buat plan, nak buat bangunan. Okay, that one they need a computer aided design. Desktop publishing software, an application that enables designer to create sophisticated publication that contain text, graphic, and many colors. Okay, yang banyak guna ni siapa? Kalau awak wartawan, yes, you will use desktop publishing software. Easier for you to manipulate or to use it to compress, to combine all the text, graphic, and other format. Okay. Paint or image editing, paint software, kita ada illustration software, image editing software. Kalau awak belajar di art and design, most probably you will use this software. An application that allows users to draw pictures, shapes, and other graphics with various on-screen tools such as a pen, brush, eyedropper, and paint bucket. Image editing software, an application that provides the capabilities of paint software and also include the capability to enhance and modify existing photos and images. Okay, for photo editing and photo management. Okay, for photo editing software, allow users to edit and modify the appearance of digital photo. This one is meant for normally professional photographer. They want to edit those picture, okay. But nowadays benda-benda ni semua dah ada dalam handphone pun dah ada ya. Sebab nowadays computer become more and more powerful, okay. Photo management software, user can view, organize, sort, catalog, print and share digital photo. And then nowadays most of the file have been compressed and can run on a lot of platform. Okay, yang ni apa? How to edit photo You can crop, remove, read eye, resize, compress. Compress, kita nak kecilkan file daripada kamera. Kamera katakan 3 MB, kita nak masuk dalam handphone, tak perlu besar sangat. Maybe we reduce the file size. We adjust the sharpness, we want it to become sharper. We want to make it more light on to add more light on the photo. You just adjust the brightness and also you can adjust the contrast. Okay, you can read this one on your own. I think you have done this a lot with your editing of your photo kan. Awak beli gambar mesti awak edit kan. Okay, other than that, video and audio editing, multimedia and website authoring, media players, and also augmented and virtual reality. Okay, Video editing software allows users to modify a segment of a video called clip. Okay, macam saya buat ni lah. Saya rakam dan saya edit dan saya upload ke dalam YouTube. Okay, for you to see it in the future as your reference. Okay. Audio editing enable user to modify audio clips, produce studio quality soundtracks and add audio to video clips. Okay, yang ni mungkin yang gunakan audio editing software ni composer. Okay, they want to add to get the best sound and so on. Multimedia and website authoring. Multimedia authoring software allows user to combine text, graphic, audio, video and animation in an interactive application. Okay, ada banyak lah. Kalau macam dalam Microsoft, ada dulu saya tak ingat apa nama dia, lupa saya. Siapa ingat tak Microsoft authoring software untuk buat website? Saya dah lupa dah. Dulu saya ajar. Punya lama tak mengajar sampai saya lupa nama dia. Microsoft apa namanya? Sekejap ya. Publisher bukan? Ada satu lagi. Lupa saya, tak ingat. Okay, never mind. Media players allows you to view images and animations, listen to audio, watch video files on computer and or mobile devices. It will enable, you are also able to organize media files using media players. Okay, augmented and virtual reality application ada beza ya, augmented and virtual reality. Augmented reality apps overlays information and digital content on top of physical object or location or over an image on the screen. Okay, kita dapatkan 3D picture macam nak tengok rumah nak masuk rumah tu macam seolah-olah masuk dalam rumah tu. Okay, guna augmented reality. Okay, even shape pun kita boleh tengok. Okay, virtual reality provide an immersive user experience. Yang ni biasa kita pakai specific device, masukkan dekat mata tu kan, tutupkan mata tu dan dia jadi macam awak berada di tempat tu lah, virtual reality. Virtual reality, this app has been used by pilot pilot buat apa, dia nak buat dia panggil apa itu, saya pun lupa lah namanya, but sebelum dia bawa kereta terbang, dia akan try kereta terbang yang in form of virtual reality ya, sebab kereta terbang bukan murah ya, kalau dia bawa kereta terbang yang betul terhempas, dia menyebabkan kos dan juga nyawa ya. So they will use apa dia panggil flight simulator. Flight simulator tu virtual reality lah. Okay, so that's it for chapter 3 part 2. I will continue with chapter 3 part 3.